What up, everybody? It's Dirty Dan the Man, and I'm back with another video. But this video is going to be a little bit different because I'm doing an unboxing video on the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. I've been seeing a lot of good things about it, so I ended up picking one up, and you guys are going to open it with me. I got the creator combo, which was, I think, close to like $800. And I was recording on this GoPro, but I don't think the quality is that good. It's more of an action camera, so I'll probably use it for when I go out on the road. So let's open this up. So I took the cinematic off on the iPhone because it wasn't focusing. So let's open this. Still has tape on it. I think this is the package, where you store it at. So if you're interested in picking this up, this is what it comes with for the creator combo. It's gonna have obviously the camera, protective case, the DJI mic, a hand with 1/4, I think it's a battery. I don't know what this is. Battery handle, then the tripod, Type-C, carrying pouch, the magnet, and the windscreen, a wide lens, and the DJI strap. Let's put this aside. Let's put this aside. Protective case for the camera, where the magnet goes, and the white lens. Take it to the side. Okay. Tells you how to put it in. Pouch it comes in. Comes with sticker pack. Or just stickers, I think. We'll open this later. Instructions that I have to read on my own time. Okay, we'll read this in my own time. Get to the important stuff. I don't even know how to open this. Oh. It's a nice case. I think it's waterproof. The camera itself, but we'll get to that right now. I know you guys are excited to see that, but we'll get to everything first. one of these again. So Type-C charger to charge it. Probably keep it like this just because I have a lot of them. And this is the little strap. This is a nice case. Put this to the side. And bear with me if the unboxing wasn't that great. I need to find out what this is. Looks like a battery to me though. Put the tripod in there. So I think this is a tripod for the camera. Hopefully all the videos come out better. Well, they will come out better. Not saying they were bad on the iPhone, but I'd rather be recording on an actual camera than on the iPhone. This is the handheld battery. Everything is Type-C now. Also for your tripod. This is good, so it's gonna have better volume for stuff. It's cool. The windscreen for the mic. And then the strap. So the camera itself, it's so small. It's really small. This is something I wanted, so it was low key to hold.
What I didn't know in that morning.
Can you please tell the jury why you're here today?
It's recording me, guys. You guys see me here. It needs an SD card. I don't have it. This is a setup I'm recording with. So I can't record anything right now. That's how it turns off. This is sick. I'm gonna start recording some content tomorrow. I'm going to a car meet, so. Alright, I'm back, guys, just because I didn't know what I was doing. So, I didn't put it to charge, but this is the tripod. Everything is easy to put on. And then right now it has a battery on. I put an SD in there, but it's so smooth though. This is nice. It stops, only moves to one side, and that's it. So right now it's charging, but this is really cool. You want to take the accessories like the battery off, you just pull it and it comes off. And I started recording, but And then the little screen. It looks really good. Then I put an SD already, but it's only a 32 gig that I took off of my GoPro. And this is the mic itself. I can't wait to start using it and see the quality. Everything is gonna come out better. Not that it was coming bad on the iPhone, like I said. It was just difficult to be recording on the iPhone. Sometimes people would call. Yeah, so this is on. This is what I'm most excited about, the microphone as well. Well, hope you guys enjoy the unboxing of the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. And if you guys are thinking of picking one up just off the review, not even the review, the unboxing, I would go pick one up. Because I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max, but we needed an actual camera. Alright guys, I forgot to show the wide lens that it comes with. And a magnet as well. And these are the stickers. Alright, it's been Dirty Dan, and I'm out. Peace.
She with a P in the leg, the condo. We bout to eat my Giano. Hop in the P, I'm beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco.